Video which you are seeing on your screen is completely AI generated. It is just an image with a portrait functionality in which AI has converted an portrait into a realistic video. So let's dive into it and discuss about the model. In the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update. A new model is going very much popular. This model is pretty cool, and you have found the example of the in the starting of the video. The name of the model is Flash Portrait. Basically, it is an origin from China, a model. And let's dive into it and discuss about this model. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring regularly AI related videos on my channel. So turn on the bell icon and stay updated related to AI news. So yeah, let's see some of the most popular examples of this model, because this model is latest and pretty cool, which can generate any type of image into realistic portrait. I hope so most of you are familiar with Harry Potter as well as Dumbledore. You can find this the portrait of him, and the portrait has been easily converted using various realistic type of realistic effects with a type of video. You can see it is looking pretty cool, because and it is a huge big video in size. You can see they have added this demo video on their official website. With the help of the model, they have converted image into this specific type of video. In order to build if you want to build this type of realistic videos just by image, you can prefer this model. It is a completely open source model. You can find this model on Hugging Face. Name of the model is Flash Portrait, but you can find the examples is pretty good. They have used this Dumbledore effect, although there are various type of effects also. I will show you some of the popular examples which I find cool with a realistic output. And at last we will discuss about the architecture of the model also, which they have provided on their official documents. But yeah, let's see about another specific video related to the same use case with just an image converted into a realistic portrait. So yeah, you can find on your screen. This one is the second video they have uploaded as an example. There is one girl which can easily talk, and it is looking like completely realistic. And the face movement as well as lip sync is also completely looking realistic, as well as the simulation of the physics about the hair movement. It is also similar. We cannot say that it is just an image converted with the help of AI for this type of use case. But yeah, this is also a realistic example as well as pretty cool example of this model. There is one of the last one example they have provided. I hope so most of you are familiar with Wednesday, a Netflix web series. So they have added one of the example of her also, or the heroine or the lead character of Wednesday Netflix series. So yeah, you can find this in left side, just an image with frame range of 320 to 2000. It has converted specific image into a specific type of video with a specific timestamp. You can find this, you can easily convert it into various types of timestamp. And if we compare with the other models, this model is performing pretty good as compared to Hanyan Portrait or Van Animate Hours or Fantasy Portrait. Yeah, and this model is benchmark is also very much nice as compared to other models, and it is also looking pretty realistic rather than others, because at last you can find the Hours model. The last one model is completely generated using Flash Portrait, and all the other models they have lose some quality, although Honeycomb has performed pretty well. But Flash Portrait has performed very good with the resolution also, and the quality of the image as well as video is pretty good. Now let's dive into it and discuss about the architecture of the model. You can find the architecture on your screen. Basically they have used, I think so, they have used a transformer based architecture with the 3D full self attention, as well as headphone, eye emotion, mouth effects, some embeddings they have used for this, as well as text encoder. And at last they passes it to 3D VAE decoder, and at last they apply a self attention feed forward network as well as cross attention, and at last we get a type of output. It is the architecture hub, so if you are familiar with the data science or deep learning, you can understand this. But this is, you can read the documents related to this model on the official website. You can just search on a Chrome. I hope so you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your various friends. See you next another video. So bye bye. Take care. See you next another video.